YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mid-ball fade with one on the top. So let's get right into it. First I'm going to start by prepping the hair, laying it all down with my gamma brush, and then we're going to get right into it with our trimmers. I'm using the Babyliss Silver FX to set in that first guideline. That first guideline being the bald guideline. The bald guideline is pretty much the most important guideline that you're going to set in, because it is the guideline that you follow for the rest of your guidelines. Once you set the bald line in all the way, next you're going to come in with your trimmers or your detachable clipper, whatever you use, and debulk all that hair underneath of the line. The detachable guys are always going to say, why are you using your trimmers? You're going to dull the blade. But it is what it is. I like using the trimmer because it gets closer than the 5-0 blade does for me. That's just my preference, so that's why I debulk with my trimmers. Once everything is debulked, the next step is we're going to grab our clipper and we're going to come in with the no guard all the way open. So lever open, and we're going to set in our first initial guideline. And as you see, I'm setting my guideline in about, I want to say that's about an inch, because I'm giving myself space to let this fade breathe. Once I set in that guideline, I'm coming in with my clipper all the way closed. And I did realize that I didn't come behind it with the shaver underneath, so I'm gonna come back with the shaver, and I'm just gonna bring everything that I debulked down to skin. And I'm not gonna bring the shaver all the way up to the line, because I want to leave a little bit of stubble in order for me to give myself something to transition into. Come with the no guard halfway and moving up a little bit on the guideline, and then I'm going to come in with my clipper 3/4 of the way open, and I'm going to come up more, and that's pretty much it. That guideline is going to be faded out. Once you did that, now I'm going to take off the bulk on top of that by coming in with the one guard all the way closed. And guys, the one guard is the guard that I will be using for the length on top. So as you see here, I'm knocking down all the length in order to get it to that desired length. Once everything is knocked down to the desired length, now I'm going to come in with my half guard all the way closed. I'm going to attack that line, and I'm going to move up on the lever as I go. And sometimes that line will not come out with just a half guard. So if the line doesn't come out with just a half guard, then you could take off the half guard and just use the lever. As you see me doing here, I had to take off the half guard and use the lever all the way open in order to blend out that line. And you see me attacking that line until the line is all the way gone. And as you can see, this side is pretty much all the way faded except the little couple of dark spots, and you see me attacking those dark spots there. So use the proper guard to the proper area in which you're trying to eliminate those dark spots. And that's pretty much it, guys. You follow these same steps on the back and the sides, and you'll meet the fade all the way around the head. So here guys, as you see, that initial guideline that I set in on the side of his head is the line that I'm going to use to set my guideline in. Once the guideline is set in, remember, about a whole inch, then I'm going to come in with my clipper all the way closed. Then I'm going to come behind that with my trimmer to take out that bottom line. Halfway open, and then 3/4 of the way open in order to take out that line. Here I'm pretty much skipping the step of knocking the bolt down with the number 1, since the half guard is a number 1. When it's open, I just started attacking that line with the half guard all the way closed, then the half guard halfway, and the half guard all the way open until that line is all the way out as well. So I kind of like eliminated a step by having to use that one guard closed to knock off the bolt to the desired length. I pretty much just used the half guard guys. In the beginning of the video, in the title, as you see, I put everyday haircuts, and by that I mean just an everyday haircut. Clients that come in and don't get fades or tapers or just simple haircuts, those are haircuts that a lot of people don't show. And so I've been making it my thing to throw in there one everyday haircut that I feel the world should see. Doing YouTube is not easy. I respect all the barbers that do YouTube because it's a lot of work and dedication, but I know that my hard work will pay off. I'm going to stay focused. I'm going to stay blessed. I'm going to continue working hard, and I know that my work will speak for itself, and I hope that I can help at least one person out there in this world. If I can do that, then my mission is complete, because I helped one more person than I did yesterday. So today's a good day. And there you go guys. Now I'm just coming in with that half guard all the way open, therefore number 1, and I'm taking all the hair off of the top. Now that everything is blended in all the way together, and that's pretty much it. This cut is done. And by the way guys, I hope you guys liked the tools. You've seen my clippers in the beginning of the video. You know, I always have people asking me what I like to use, what clippers do I have. So they are pretty much clean, pretty much my favorite clippers that I use in the beginning of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But here guys, my client, he does not like the facial hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with my trimmers followed by my shavers, and I'm going to take all of the hair off his face. If you guys are doing YouTube or Instagram or anything, follow me at Lyfe Yanni on Instagram. Tag your everyday haircuts and tag me. Everyday haircuts. Let's see those cuts that not everyone wants to show, because some people don't have the most perfect hair texture, hairlines, or things like that, but that doesn't mean that their haircut isn't worth showing. Alright guys, here I'm just gonna do the lineup, coming in with the Babyliss Silver Effects, tapping their vertical bar. Then I'm gonna come and tap that hairline. I'm just gonna tap at it, and I'm shaping it up as if the hair was there. And then I'm gonna come behind that with my razor in order to make that line as sharp and symmetrical as possible. Knock down all that extra hair on the neck, behind the ears. Sometimes there's little stragglers that got away. And this cut probably would have never been shown by me because I felt no one would like it. But since I'm doing the everyday haircut thing, I decided to show this one. But I do have some heat for y'all next video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, man. This is done. Here's the before. There's the after. Big difference. My man left here feeling great, feeling better. And there y'all go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned a little something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Show your boy some love. This Yanni signing out. Hey.